So, Avantika, first what we will try to understand is, and this is how we'll start the lecture, calculate the mass of one atomic mass unit in grams. So, this is the question that we want to ask, and using this question, we will try to understand the concept of one atomic mass unit. And the carbon has C12, C13, C14, three sisters. Have we understood?
Yeah.
Are we clear about this? And if we
Yeah.
have understood the concept well, what we will understand is that 12C would be 6 protons and 6 neutrons. 13C would be 6 protons and 7 neutrons. And 14C would have 6 protons and 18 neutrons. Are we clear about this?
So 1 second, your voice is breaking a lot.
Okay. Have we understood that carbon is found in nature in three flavors? One is 12C, other is 13C, and the other is 14C. Have we understood this?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is that in all these three flavors, the common thing would be that the number of protons would be 6. And of course, because they are electrically neutral, the number of electrons would also be 6. Are we clear about this?
Yeah.
The only thing that will vary would be the number of neutrons. Are we clear about this?
Yeah.
Okay. So once we are clear about this, we need to focus on 12C. The flavor of carbon, the flavor of carbon, which has 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, why do we need to focus on this is because 12C, the 12C flavor of carbon is assigned exactly 12 atomic mass unit as its mass. Are we clear about this?
Yeah.
So, what the scientists did was they wanted some standard element that they had to take. So, as you can see, that they tried hydrogen. If you see hydrogen being the lightest atom, it was already assigned a mass of 1, and other values were assigned relative.
Mm-hmm.
So they tried with hydrogen, but then in 1961 what they did was they took the flavor of C12, the 12C flavor of carbon, and they said that this would be the standard as per which the rest of the elements would be given masses. Are we clear till here?
Yeah.
And why I wanted to tell you first, why I wanted to spend time on isotope was that, you know, the carbon that you find in nature comes in three flavors. And from those three flavors, only the 12C was taken. And it was assigned a number that 12C would be assigned exactly 12 atomic mass unit as the mass, and rest of the atoms would be assigned masses relative to this. Are we clear till here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, if we are
Yeah.
clear till here, what we understand is that 12C. So, if I ask you, what would be one AMU, one atomic mass unit? So, one atomic mass unit would be 1/12 the mass of 12C atom. Are we clear till here?
Yeah.
Any doubt till here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, one thing that I just want to add is that, like your textbook has written, that AMU has been replaced by U, which is known as unified mass. So, we might be using AMU, but AMU has been replaced by U, which is known as the unified mass. Are we clear?
Yeah.
See, one thing that we need to understand about the competitions is that NCRT is our Bible, especially whenever we are appearing for the competitions. So, for example, you might be in ISC board, and the ISC board book recommended by your school might be, saying something. But
Mm-hmm.
finally, the final word in class 11th, class 12th, chemistry, physics, math would be the whatever is mentioned in the textbook of
Okay.
NCERT slash CBSE. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Avantika, are we clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let us go a bit further. So now what we want to do is we want to understand the relation between AMU and grams, because that is what our original question was. The question that we had was that calculate the mass of one atomic mass unit in gram. Basically, we need the relationship between AMU and gram. Have we
Okay.
have we understood the question now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, till now, what we have discussed is that 12C atom, 12C atom has been given a mass of 12 AMU. Are we clear till here?
Yeah.
Therefore, if I want what is 1 AMU equal to, what I should be able to calculate is 1/12 the mass of 12C atom. Are we clear till here?
Yeah.
I've taken a very long route to, uh, explain this question. Now, my only problem now which remains is what is the mass of 12C atom in gram? Have you understood what I've said?
Yeah.
So if I can understand the value of if I can understand the value of 12C, the mass of 12C atom, then I would have the conversion between AMU and gram. Have we understood?
Yeah.
So 12C atom consists of 6 proton plus 6 neutrons plus 6 electrons. Are we clear till here?
Yeah.
See, these two have masses, but this electron has negligible mass. Are we clear?
Yeah.
And when you do Google search, and you will come to know later the reason behind it, they'll always talk about rest mass of proton and neutron. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I can Google the rest mass of proton and neutron. I can put it here. I can calculate it because this mass is anyways negligible. Have we understood?
Yeah.
So what I'll do is just for my purposes, what I'll do is I'll find the mass of protons, sorry, rest mass of one proton. I'll put it over here. Then what I'll do is I'll find the rest mass of neutron. I'll put it over here. And whatever my answer is, I will get my answer in gram or kg or whatever. Have you understood what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
Are we clear till here?
Yeah.
And just remember that one atomic mass unit is 1/12 of 12C atom. So whatever mass I am finding here, I'll have to divide that by 12. Have you understood what I said?
Yeah.
So if you see, this is the calculation that I had done. This is the calculation that I had done.
Hmm.
That I found the mass of proton to be 1.6 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. I found the mass of neutron to be
Mm-hmm.
1.67 into 10 to the minus 24, minus 24 gram. And
Yeah.
there is a slight difference between the masses of proton and neutron. But if you remember your previous classes, you'll understand that usually what we say is that the mass of proton is 1 unit, the mass of neutron is 1 unit, and the
Hmm.
mass of electron is zero, negligible. Are we clear till here?
Yeah.
So I put the value of the mass of proton. This is the rest mass of proton. What is the meaning of rest mass? You will come to know in coming classes. By class 12 it should be clear, so don't worry. So mass of neutron is almost the same, and when I calculate, so one atomic mass unit, don't forget the factor 1/12. So when I calculate, one atomic mass is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. Have you
Hmm.
understood?
Yeah.
And that is why, now the things will start making sense to you. That why did we used to take this mass of proton as 1 unit and mass of neutron to be 1 unit? Because if you see,
Hmm.
if you compare this figure, if you compare this figure with this figure,
Hmm.
you'll understand that yes, the mass of one proton is 1 AMU. This is approximate, and mass of one neutron is 1 AMU. Have you understood?
Yeah.
And this is the conversion that we were looking for, the conversion between 1 AMU and a certain number of grams. And the same conversion has been mentioned here in your textbook without proof. Do you see this? Do you see this? 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. Is it making sense now?
Yeah.